And I just made, Primer has been around for, especially for the soft launching probably about 35 years ago. And of course, we're seeing there's a missing segment. So that's where we try to connect this community again. And personally, I want to thank here, especially with the presence of our, from the TVP, Ms. Norma Morales. It's very honored to have her presence here. And also Mr. Hanky, I just met Hanky last year, but I don't know, it's a very short period of time, but it seems I've known him for, for decades, because we have a lot of same alignment of vision, the same, and check Charlie. Charlie is, if you ever know people who go to Siargao, you won't visit, the permit. So I'm very grateful to the persons, my partners, and especially the DOT. Today is just a reinforcement of our long-standing partnership with DOT way back 20 years ago. So Primer and DOT has been promoting Philippines as a destination. We published 2 books just to promote Philippines about the bird watching and adventure Philippines, and we also launched the Visit Philippines for the bird watching. So I'm just looking forward that there's more collaboration, not only the DOT but the whole community and everybody here. It's part of the community, and this is a small celebration. And this is just a small step towards how we can promote the Philippines as a destination. So Primer now have over 50 travel clubs across the countries, in Mindanao, Visaya, and up in the north. So we encourage everyone, make life travel as part of life, and really visit Philippines. It's really a wonderful country. Don't mind about the politics and the noise of the Manila, but once you go to the countryside, it's a different fascinating. I was telling my wife, we've been traveling so much, and I told her, after visiting so many countries, I said, I'll still choose Philippines as the destination for my home. Not excited about Manila, but once you go to that, no other countries can compare outside Manila. The hospitality, the nature, the kindness of people, and very economical. So please visit our country, the countryside, and you won't be sorry about it. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. So I am Mara Nograles. I am the Chief Operating Officer of the Philippine Tourism Promotions Board. We are the marketing arm of the Philippine Department of Tourism, in charge of our 13 key markets around the world and MICE promotions, meetings, incentives, conventions, and exhibitions. So studies show us that the world is traveling and looking for more meaningful and purposeful experiences. Where do you find that around the world, right? So kami in the Tourism Promotions Board, we take that to heart. So we really look for partners who understand that, who understand the importance of crafting these authentic experiences into our different destinations. So I am so thrilled and honored to be here with the Primer Group Travel Club. A big round of applause, please, Sir Junitay. It is so wonderful to hear of your partnership with the Department of Tourism all these years. Let us strengthen that some more. Daghang salamat kaayo for creatively thinking of how else we can remind the world that there is so many experiences around the Philippines to be had. Thank you. And of course, to my dearest friend, Mr. Hanky Lee, I cannot say no to the Henry Hotels and Resorts. Hanky is so passionate about crafting bespoke, unique, authentic experiences around the Philippines. And we experienced that firsthand. May I share, I went, so my family, we travel around the world and whatnot, but my daughter would say that her best experience and best travel was her travel to Ilocos, to Lawag. Sabi ko, wow, that's so interesting. You should tell the world that, right? But when she went to Dumaguete and Tito Hanky took us around Dumaguete. She goes, wait, now I'm confused. I think it's Dumaguete. I mean, more than Paris or Japan or whatnot, right? It is Dumaguete. So thank you. A big round of applause, please, to Mr. Hanky. So we are here, the Tourism Promotions Board, to thank you for your partnership and to thank each and every one of you for helping us promote what is uniquely ours. Because really all of us here, we are the Philippines, right? And it is our job to really show the world and invite the world to come visit our beautiful country. So I would like you to know, the Primer Group and the Henry Hotels, that the Tourism Promotions Board is here to support you every step of the way and to creatively work with you to craft more and more and more experiences around the Philippines. Yes? Yes. We shall do that. You have over how many stores, Sir Jimmy? Yes. 55. And in your 55 stores, let us continue to share to all your customers the beauty of the Philippines. Daghang salamat sa tanan. Love the Philippines.
One! A round of applause! And may we also invite this joyful also to be joining
amazing event so far. Very fun, but I'm glad that everybody enjoyed the raffle promotions earlier, and I hope you enjoy all the products that you can take home with you.
This collaboration actually started quite prominently because we've had a lot of partnerships earlier on with the Department of Tourism, even with our different brands. So this is not the first collaboration we've done with them. Of course, we're very delighted and honored also to be working with the Hotel. Travel Club actually started the journey more than 30 years ago. And as we celebrated our landmark, milestone being 30 years, we looked at the vision of what Travel Club is. So we know that we are just really beyond a store, brand, to just merchandise, to trade luggage for that matter. But we know that we can be a great steward of things that are related to travel and to build that community and become a more meaningful conduit for all of the stakeholders within the travel community, whether it's products, it's our customers, hotels, even the government for that matter. So we've actually launched that program called Know Before You Go, where we've been hosting a lot of travelers and hosting them in the travel club to allow them to do a pre-departure preparation for all their journeys. And now, we've expanded that journey. Initially, we've done a lot of collaborations for international travels as far as, Greenland, Alaska, helping them really to prepare for those very specialized trips. But now, of course, we're very happy that we came or this program and now collaborating locally with the Henry Hotel and, of course, the Travel Tourism Board and promote the local destinations in the Philippines. So again, I'm thanking everyone for coming here today, and for that, thank you, and we're looking forward to more meaningful collaborations and celebrating the magic of travels with each and every one of you in and around the Philippines, and of course, thank you.
Big round of applause.